Solana has just done something significant for the first time since the collapse during the FTX crash. In 50 days, its price fell by 60%. This is the fastest drop since November 2022, when Solana fell more than 70% in 1 month. That then became the bottom for this coin. The question arises whether we are witnessing another FTX-style collapse with Solana. At launch, there was a massive insider sniping. This is when insiders with early access to confidential information buy immediately at the start. They wait for retail traders to enter and push the price up, after which the insiders sell their tokens, making huge profits. The price of Libra initially soared by 2,500%, just hours after the tweet. But the situation soon changed. The token was rug pulled, liquidity was drained, major investors withdrew their money, and the token plummeted by 97% in just 1 day. Since then, it has remained dead. But it wasn't only Libra that experienced a pump and dump on Solana. Take Melania coin, for example. Like Libra, it surged sharply after launch, then crashed by 95%. These failures damaged the reputation of the Solana network. Many assume that Solana will not recover after these events. Solana's meme coins have repeatedly destroyed retail traders. People are tired of such losses, leaving Solana and seeking safer investments. Last month, more than 1 billion stablecoins exited the Solana ecosystem. More than 1 billion stablecoins left Solana in 1 day during the Libra rug pull. This is the largest stablecoin outflow in Solana's history. This outflow even surpassed the FTX crash in 2022. The crash of Solana's memcoins resembles an FTX-style moment, but with an even larger amount. However, despite short-term outflows, looking at the overall stablecoin balance, the situation may not be so catastrophic. On Solana, it is visible that the total amount still remains quite large even after recent withdrawals. Solana still holds 11,500 million in stablecoins. This is more than 5 times the amount that existed just a year ago. If everyone was truly leaving Solana, the chart would look different. In fact, although some traders exited, most did not. For Solana, the average transaction fee is only 0.2 of a cent. This is 5 times cheaper than Polygon and 4,000 times cheaper than Ethereum. But Solana is not only cheap, it is also very fast. It can process 65,000 transactions per second. For comparison, Ethereum processes only 15 transactions per second. Over the past year, the volume of cryptocurrency trading has increased by 979%. And now, meme coins account for more than 5% of the total trading volume. On the Solana blockchain, the influence of meme coins is even stronger. They make up 31% of Solana's total trading volume. Thanks to this, Solana's daily trading volume has exceeded Ethereum's trading volume several times over the past year, including the current month. The idea that people suddenly got tired of meme coins, causing Solana to fall, does not hold up to scrutiny. In fact, the meme coin boom on Solana is not a temporary trend, but an entire sector of cryptocurrency. Meme coins have turned into a form of gambling, and Solana has become the center of this phenomenon. Whether this is good or bad is an open question, but one thing is clear: Solana benefits greatly from it. So what is the real reason for Solana's decline? Data shows that it is not related to meme coins, but to the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Solana has closely followed Bitcoin's movement since November 2021. When Bitcoin rises, Solana rises. When Bitcoin falls, Solana falls. The correlation coefficient, measuring the degree of interconnection between two assets, confirms this relationship. Solana and Bitcoin often move together, their correlation consistently ranging between 0.5 and 1. This means the connection is very strong. Solana is more volatile than Bitcoin. In bull markets, it can grow stronger, and in corrections, fall more sharply. We are currently seeing exactly this situation. Over the past month, Bitcoin has fallen by more than 20%, dragging the entire crypto market down with it. Solana has dropped by a full 50%. This is not surprising. When Bitcoin does not rise, traders avoid high-risk assets, such as Solana and memecoins. Trading memecoins only thrives in a bull crypto market. If Bitcoin doesn't grow, the desire to take risks and speculate decreases. That is why a clear trading plan is important in such volatile conditions. In our new Discord community, professional crypto traders share all trades and market updates. They show precise entries and exits for profit. Our members recently gained 13% profit by catching Solana's recent rebound. You can also receive real-time alerts. Just follow the link in the description and stay updated. Despite Solana's recent drop, this is an important moment for understanding the market. To understand this situation, you need to look broader. A 50% drop in Solana seems serious, but aligns with the overall crypto market dynamics. Major altcoins from the top 10, such as Ethereum and Cardano, experienced similar corrections, although they did not have meme coin hype. Thus, the drop in Solana is indeed significant. But it is part of a general market correction, not a reaction to several meme coin scams. In a recently released video, we explained in detail why we do not believe that Bitcoin has reached the peak of the bull market. If Bitcoin is not in a bear market, then Solana is probably not in such a state either. Despite the short-term bearish shift in Solana's dynamics, a reverse head and shoulders pattern is visible upon closer inspection. This formation was broken in March 2024 and remains relevant for further movement. The most important level in this model is the neckline, which acts as a key support. If Solana breaks this level downwards, it will be a false breakout and may cause a more significant decline. At the moment, Solana is returning to test this support line, and as long as it holds, the price may remain stable. A strong rebound from this point is visible. The target for this inverted head and shoulders pattern equals the movement in percentage from the head to the neckline. This means a growth of 1,250% from the breakout, or reaching the target of $1,600. We have no firm opinion on whether this target will be met, but such a move would require a bullish crypto market, as we discussed earlier. If this does not happen, Solana risks falling below the neckline and experiencing a long-term breakdown.